Does the text on your phone feel like it's getting smaller every day? You're not alone. Most phones come set up with tiny text that's hard to read. Today I'm going to show you the two simplest ways to fix that, making your text bigger and making it bolder. No jargon, just clear steps. One small side note before we begin. I'm using an older iPhone 11 and an older Motorola with Android 13 phone. If you have a newer model phone, it's possible the settings are not found in the same place. I'll come back later and show you how to find them. Okay, let's get started. This section is for iPhone users. Step 1. Increasing text size. First find the settings icon. It looks like a little grey gear. Tap that. Now scroll down and tap Display and Brightness. Look for text size. When you tap it, you'll see a slider at the bottom. Slide it to the right until the words above look comfortable for you. You'll see the change happen instantly. The change is automatically saved. If you want an even larger, go back to Settings. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Look for Display and Text Size and tap on it. Then look for Larger Text and tap on it. There you'll see a button, Larger Accessibility Sizes, and way below a slider. Tap the button, Larger Accessibility Sizes. It should turn green. Next, adjust the slider below to the text size that suits you. You will see the changes at the same moment. The change is automatically saved. Turning on bold text. You can turn on bold text in two places, depending on where you are in your settings. The first place, go to Settings. Now scroll down and tap Display and Brightness. Look for bold text. Tap that switch. See how much darker and clearer the letters become? This makes every message and menu item much easier to see against the white background. Now for the second place. Go back to Settings. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Look for Display and Text Size and tap on it. Then look for Bold Text and tap on it. It's the same switch and does the same, only it's in a different location. To me it doesn't make sense and it's confusing, but Apple might have a different opinion on why they did it this way. If you have a newer iPhone and can't find the setting you need, don't worry. Apple sometimes moves settings around after software updates, so I'll show you a quick way to search for them. Tap on the settings icon. Look for the search bar, bottom or top of your screen. Tap on it and enter the setting you are looking for. You will see a bunch of suggestions. Tap on the one you need and it will bring you to the desired setting. This section is for Android users. I only have an old Motorola with an Android 13 operating software. At the moment of this writing, the newest version of the operating software is Android 17. Android settings can vary depending on your phone brand, model and software version, so the exact wording or location of these options may look a little different on your device. As for the Android 13 operating system, I can show you here on screen, but for the newer versions I will tell you where to find them on your phone. Just for transparency, I got these settings by asking Google's AI, so I'm not 100% sure if it's correct. My apologies for this. Let's start with the phones with an Android 13 operating system. Step 1. Increasing text size. First find the Settings app. It looks like a little white gear on a blue background. Tap on it. Now scroll down to Accessibility and tap on it. Look for Display Size and Text. Tap on it. Here you will see a couple of settings. Font size. Adjust the slider if you want to make the text bigger or smaller. Display size. Adjust the slider if you want to make everything, icons and text, bigger or smaller. Bold text button. Tap this button to turn on bold text. You can see the result instantly. If you mess things up, you can tap on the Reset settings and it will restore the original settings. All changes are automatically saved. This is for phones with the Android 14 to 17 operating software. Step 1. Open the Settings app, the gear icon. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Tap on Display Size and Text. You are now on a main screen where you can adjust your settings. You will find the sliders for font size, display size, as well as a toggle for bold text. If you can't find a setting, you can do a search. Tap on the Settings app. At the top of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Tap on it and enter the setting you are looking for. You will see a bunch of suggestions. Tap on the one you need and it will bring you to the desired setting. That's it. Look at your screen now. No more squinting, no more reaching for your reading glasses, just a quick message. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to more simple tech tips. With your support, I will be able to make more videos like this. If you have questions or have other problems with a tech device, let me know in the comment section. Maybe it will be the next video topic. If you want to follow along at your own pace, I've made a large print PDF guide you can print out. You can find it on my website, simplysilvertech.com. Link is in the comment section. It's available for you for free. I'll see you in the next video.